Okay, Dan. I'm sitting here with Billy. Say hi, Bill.
Hi.
We're going over long division. This is different than synthetic division, but exactly the same as you used to do long division way back in the day. So let's see if we can make this easy for you. Okay. Notice how I write this. I'm only going to focus on the 3x when we're talking about dividing. Okay. We're going to ignore the 12 just when we're talking about what goes on top. Okay, ready? So like I said, I asked myself 3x times what equals, and I only look at this first term. 3x times what equals 3x cubed? The answer is x squared. I do not concern myself with the 12. But at this point, I multiply this down, and I multiply it by both of them. So when I put the number up here, I don't consider it. But when I bring it back down here, I do. So this becomes x times 3x, which we know to be 3x cubed, and x times 12x, which we know to be 12x squared. Okay? So at this point of the game, we've just looked at the 3x times what equals 3x cubed gives x squared. We then took this top number, multiplied it down here, and now once we get this result down here, just as with long division that your mom and dad used to do, we subtract. And when I subtract, it goes all the way through. So I subtract both these. So 3x cubed minus 3x cubed is 0. And 12x squared minus, remember we pushed this minus through, 12x squared equals 0. So once I'm done with this, there's nothing here. 0 plus 0 is simply 0. I then bring down, and I can bring down just one of them, but my preference is to bring down both of them. So I bring down this whole thing, okay? And when I look to put a number up here, again, I'm only looking at this part right now. So I say 3x times what equals 12x, and the answer is 4. So I put that 4 up here. All right, and then when I multiply it down, it's 4 times 3x, which is 12x, and 4 times 12, which is 48. And once again, we subtract, and once again, we push it all the way through. This cancels to 0, this cancels to 0, so my remainder is 0, and that is my answer. That's my long division answer. Hold on one second, Matthew. You can say hi to Danny if you want. Danny, say he can hear you recording.
Hi.
Okay? This is long division. The thing that makes you need to do long division is the fact that there's a 3x here instead of a regular x. You know how to do synthetic division. Synthetic division would be if there's only one x. All right. See you soon.